everyone, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve certified trainer in Dubai. And today, for Simply Resolve, we are going to add titles on our project. So it depends on the workflow that you are following. So there are instances that you are creating the timeline first and then adding the text after, or you can add the titles or the text after you have added the specific media clip on the timeline or project that you are creating. So today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add titles on both cut and edit page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the project, after which I just have to select on titles, and then it would give me two options, titles and fusion titles. And then if there's a specific template that I would like to use, I just have to search that using the search bar. And then simply drag and drop that on the timeline that I am creating. After that, I just have to click on the toolbar for the tools. And once it's open, I just have to select on the T icon, which stands for text, and open the inspector. And then I just have to edit the main text. So this one, I'm going to add the name of the food that they are preparing, which is prawn and basil spaghettini. And then you can see other options of where you can change the parameters for your text. So you can change the tracking, the size, and even the color. And then you just have to close the window. And once you play the timeline, you can see that it will be automatically reflected on the project that you are creating. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to the edit page. As we all know, the edit page and the cut page, the interface is slightly different. So this one, I just have to go to my edit page and then go to my FX library. And then I just have to check again or select again between fusion titles and titles. And then just locate on my timeline, where do I want to put this text? So I'm just going to put this just before the music starts. And then on the right hand side is the inspector. So I just have to edit again the rich text. I'm going to add quick to cook, which is the title of my cooking show. And then you can see their font family, face, color. So these are the parameters that you can change for your text. So the fonts available here are the pre-installed fonts on the machine that you are using. This is my project, and then I have added a regular text and a fusion title on it. So that's how easy it is to create or add text and titles on the project that you are creating. So again, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve certified trainer in Dubai. And thank you for watching Simply Resolve. See you again next week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.